long has it been doing this now?
About 10 minutes.
10 minutes. 10 minutes of hail. Here, can I see that? Can you show me that? Show me how big they are?
Yeah.
Show me how big they are. Hold on 1 second.
Get the cue ball.
Hold on. I'm going to focus.
Grab the cue ball off the table.
Alright, can you just show one? How big is that, you think?
2.5 inches around. Ed, grab the cue ball.
Grab the cue ball.
Grab the cue ball.
On the pool table.
Hold them up again. Those are just some of them. There are a lot of other ones out there too. Dang. And it stopped. About 10 minutes. It stopped.
Look at this. That's a cue ball off the pool table.
Hold on 1 second. Hold on. It's about as big as a cue ball. Oh, dang. That's the same size as a cue ball.
Well, here, it's bigger than a cue ball.
No, it's bigger, yeah.
Whoa!
Hi. And there's dents in all these vehicles. Oh, yeah. There's dents. Yeah.
My new truck.
Eddie, look at this.
There's dents. I got some, I'm sure of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a dent in mine. Dents. Any broken windshields? I'm sure there are. Knocked over a sign. That's. Neither have I. This is the first time I've ever seen this hail this big. The whole thing is covered with it.